Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial video we're going to show you how you can distort images and photos you insert into your documents on LibreOffice Calculator. So let us dive into this. Start by navigating to your sheet on LibreOffice Calculator, click into Insert and select Image, and after that locate the file on your device to upload it. Now, once it has been added, you may, for example, reposition it by left-clicking and dragging it to the position. Then you may resize it by using these handles or here in the corner. And then guys, there's also the option to distort the image. So let me do that. To do that, double click into it until you see these red handles here in the corners. So what you want to do is use, for example, this one in the corners to rotate the image. Or you may use these here, for example, to distort the image. For example, left click into one of these circles and then move your mouse just like that to, for example, distort the dimension of the given image and make it look like this here, for instance. You may use also that handle here in the middle for that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.